Let me put you on to the best skincare routine for glowing skin. This is a daily skincare routine. And you know the amazing thing is something that you can use on a day-to-day basis. And I love the simplicity. It's so simple, it's affordable, and budget friendly. So it's something that is suitable for both beginners or somebody that is new to skincare. So if you're a beginner or maybe you're on a low budget, then this is a routine I would definitely recommend for you.
Come to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Let's get right into it. The first product I'll recommend you use in this routine is this drip bar soap. You see this particular drip kojic acid soap. This is a good brightening soap that is pretty much affordable. It's going to help cleanse your skin, get rid of all the dirt on your skin. This particular drip bar soap is just going to help wash your skin. Currently retails at the price range of 800 to 1,500 naira, depending on where you're buying from. This is an amazing bar soap, guys, and it has a really nice fragrance. So if you want something effective, this is one soap I recommend for you. You can use this to wash basically both your face and your body. It's a soap that you can use from your head down to your toe, and it's definitely going to glow your skin. It contains amazing skincare ingredients like vitamin C, kojic acid that will brighten and glow your skin. It also have ingredients like turmeric and niacinamide. So if you're someone suffering from dark spots, this is going to gradually take that out. See, this particular soap is not a soap that will bleach your skin or whiten your skin. It's a soap that is just going to help maintain your complexion. So whether you're a fair skin, dark skin, chocolate skin, as long as you want to glow your skin, this routine is for you. If you cannot afford to get this drip bar soap, simply opting for this Asantee carrot with honey soap. You see this particular soap, this is another soap that can serve or go in place of this drip soap. Any of these two soaps is going to brighten and glow your complexion. So if you're looking to glow your skin without breaking the bank, these two soaps right here is going to do an excellent job. And another soap that I really love for someone on a budget is this Dove Pink Bar Soap. Any of these soaps that you can lay your hand on, please get it. You're going to love the effect on your skin. It will brighten and glow your complexion. And all you need to do is to just use this bar soap to cleanse your skin. This is going to be your first cleanse when it comes to this particular routine. Immediately you get into the shower, just wet your body with water and then lather this on your sponge or whatever you're using to shower, and then use it to wash your body. And immediately you're done rinsing off the soap from your skin, the next product you will need in this routine in order to achieve that beautiful glowing skin is a body scrub. And I recommend this Cool Spa Turmeric Scrub. Honestly, this is one of the best affordable body scrubs out there that have been working and is still working. It currently retails at the cost range of 3,500 to 4,500 naira, depending on where you're buying from. Of course, you already know there is inflation. So this particular scrub right now is going to help scrub off all those dead skin cells on your skin. The reason why your skin is not glowing or popping the way you would want it to pop is because you're not scrubbing or exfoliating your skin. Once you start exfoliating your skin, you're going to notice visible difference on your skin. Honestly, using a body scrub in your skincare routine is a game changer, and this Cool Spa Turmeric body scrub works amazingly well on the skin. All you have to do is, once you're done washing your body with your soap, the next product to go in with is this scrub is going to do an excellent job for your skin. It will slough off all those dead skin cells on your skin, glow your skin, and make your skin feel much smoother. Pair this together and you're going to love the effect on your skin. Guys, please do not scrub your skin every day. You're supposed to exfoliate your skin 2 or 3 times at most in your routine weekly. Now, for you to be able to lock in all that moisture that have gone away by using a body scrub. That is where my nice nourishing body wash comes in. One body wash I really love when it comes to locking in moisture back into your skin is this Dove Pure Pampering Body Wash. You see, this particular body wash, guys, is going to help moisturize your skin. This is going to lock in back moisture into your skin, and the fragrance always gets me. This is one body wash you will never find missing in my routine. I also use the EOS body wash, but this particular body wash is for people on a budget. It's going to help you lock in moisture and glow your skin at the same time. Now, on days you don't even have strength, you can just do your bar soap or your body wash in the morning, and that is it. But when you want to give your skin that tender love and care, this nice smelling body wash that also moisturizes the skin is going to do an absolute perfect job for you, and it will give you that glowing, beautiful skin. The secret to having that beautiful glow is double cleansing your skin. See, there is no way you will sweat from morning till night and bar soap alone will get rid of all those debts that you have accumulated on your skin. So you need to always double cleanse your skin once you're done parading around and accumulating all those debts and sweat. You need to take your time, wash off your skin with your bar soap first. Then if you have the strength to scrub, you can exfoliate your skin, and then immediately you're done exfoliating, just lather this on your sponge again, or you can just lather it in your palm and then rub it all over your body and you're done. See, if you start doing this in your routine, your skin is going to become softer, so much smoother, and you're going to love the glow. You'll be getting lots of compliments. It's not me that will tell you, it's people around you that is obviously going to tell you, hey girl, you're glowing. That's the kind of compliment you're gonna be getting. Immediately you step out of the shower, you're done having your bath and all of that, ensure you dry your body a little with your towel. You need to ensure that your skin is still a bit wet or damp before going in with this next product. And the next product you will need is a good moisturizing or brightening body lotion. And guys, one body lotion that never miss and I'll recommend for you to use if you can lay your hands on is this Vaseline Healthy Bright Brightening Body Lotion. This is the body lotion right here. You see, this particular body lotion is a body lotion that can be used in your daytime skincare routine. And I love the fact that it's just a lotion. Like I told you guys, this routine can be used on both your face and your body. And this particular body lotion, as you guys can see, is written brightening lotion. It's not a body lotion. This is a lotion, so it can be used on both your face and your body. That is why I said that this particular routine is simple, affordable, and it works. Like, it's very effective. This particular lotion can be applied on both your face and your body. If you're acne prone, I would advise you do a patch test, or you can get a face cream instead. But if you're not acne prone, girl, you can get away with using this. Even if you're acne prone and you do a patch test, just take a little amount, apply it to your face, and see how you're going to react to it. If it's good, then you can continue. But if it's not, you can then get a face cream. You see, this lotion, it will brighten and glow your skin at the same time. I love the way it moisturizes my skin. This is an absolute amazing body lotion. This is one body lotion that have won my heart. And the fact that it's affordable is something I really love. I don't think it's more than 8,000 naira. So if you can lay your hands on this lotion, it will last you for a period of 2 months, 2 good months, depending on how you apply your body lotion. It's so moisturizing. It will nourish, brighten, and protect your skin from the sun. With this, you might even skip using a sunscreen if you're in the cold weather. But if you're in summer period, you can pair this with a sunscreen just in case your skin is sensitive. this particular lotion is going to do an excellent job. Now, if you can't afford to get this, or maybe you can't find it in your location, you see this Nivea Perfect and Radiant Body Lotion. This is one lotion I love. Guys, it's lightweight and it's perfect for daytime use. Unlike the Vaseline lotion I showed you, this particular one is a body lotion, but it can also be used on the face. When I was using it, I used to apply it on both my face and my body. Right now, this particular lotion is now a lot lightweight, so you will need to pair it with a good body oil if you have a dry skin. But if you're someone with an acne prone skin, or maybe you sweat too much, this is going to do wonders for you. It will brighten and glow your skin. I love the ingredients in this particular lotion. It has ingredients like berry extract, and it also have UVA and UVB protection. So in other words, it's going to do an amazing job. Now, for those of you that have extremely dry skin, or you suffer from eczema and you're looking for something more moisturizing that you would just apply, and that is it. You see this Nivea soft cream, don't play with this. This is a bad boy for a reason. This bad boy right here is going to get your skin glowing. It's so moisturizing on the skin, and it will give you a soft, smooth, beautiful, glowing skin. It contains amazing moisturizing and nourishing ingredients like aqua, glycerin, paraffinium liquidum, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. So this right here is a really nice moisturizer that will serve as both a face cream and a body cream. So if you're on a budget, you can get this. It can last you for a month or more depending on how you use it. Okay, if you're using it on both your face and your body, it might just stay for like 2 or 3 weeks. Now, like I said, when it comes to your body lotion application, you need to ensure that you are applying your body lotion when your skin is still wet or damp. Do not apply your body lotion on a dry skin, because this is where so many of you get it all wrong. When you apply your body lotion on a dry skin, your body lotion is not going to have any moisture to seal into your skin. But when you apply it on a damp skin, it's going to lock in moisture the whole day, and it will keep your skin well moisturized. Now, once you're done applying your body lotion, you need to seal in moisture, and that is where your body oil comes in. I recommend getting this Pierce Baby Oil. You see, this particular Pierce Baby Oil is so moisturizing, and it serves very well for people with dry skin. If you can't get the Pierce Baby Oil, or maybe you cannot afford it, you already know I got you. You can get this vitamin E capsule. You see, this particular vitamin E capsule is affordable. With just 1,000 naira or 800 naira, even 500 naira, you can get it in your own location. But in my location, it retails at the cost of 1,000 or 1,200, depending on where you're buying from. This vitamin E capsule, all you need to do is immediately you're done applying your body lotion, just take like a capsule, because this is what it looks like. So you just pop the mouth, or you use your scissors to pop it, and that is it. Okay, so don't stress yourself if you cannot get Pierce Baby Oil. Another body oil I love, especially if you want to smell good and at the same time achieve a beautiful glowing skin, is this Johnson Shea Cocoa Butter Oil. This is my absolute fave. This particular body oil have my heart, guys. I'm not kidding. This gel oil does it for me every time. I love the Johnson's baby oil, and now, like, when I try this out, I've been stuck with this. So any of those oils you can lay your hand on, even the vitamin E oil, you can just grab it and add in your skincare routine, and it's going to glow your skin. When it comes to this routine, I know we are on a budget, but girl, you still need a good sunscreen. You can't be putting all that effort and you're not using a sunscreen. So one sunscreen that is so affordable that I recommend you use is the Biore UV Watery Essence sunscreen. This particular sunscreen is affordable. It's going to protect your skin from the sun, so you can apply it to your face and other exposed area on your skin before stepping out of your house. So always ensure you're protecting your skin from sun, because you don't want to suffer sun damages or sunburn. So for you to be a classy girl, a classy boy, and be glowing this period, Just add this product in your routine and you're good to go. This is the best daily skincare routine for glowing skin you're going to see today. All you have to do is to be consistent with this product. Use this product for a period of 2 weeks to 1 month. You're definitely going to see the effect on your skin. That is simply it on how you can use this simple routine to achieve a beautiful glowing skin. Use them on a day-to-day basis in both your morning and nighttime routine and you're good to go. I hope today's video was very helpful. If you really enjoyed watching this video or you found it helpful in any way, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys!